Greetings and welcome. In this video, I'm just finishing up my wash day. And I am air drying with the REVAIR. I washed my hair in sections and I am drying them in those same sections, making life so much easier. As you see, I did one of my favorites, mini twist. I'm going to do as many twists as I can. I'm just showing how I don't really like how I did the parting in the back, but that's how I did it. I really like going across in rows, but I split it in half and did each half separately. Now for the oiling. I am using this castor oil and I'm going to drench my ends with the castor oil and work it in. There's something about castor oil that is very moisturizing. Although it's an oil, it feels like it has water properties in it because it makes your hair feel so moisturized. Here it is the next day, and my hair, along with this dry air, has sucked up all that oil at my ends. So, once again, I'm going to drench these twists with oil at the ends. I am showing you right here how good this oil is making my hair feel. It is just flowing and flowing. As you may know, castor oil has a very strong, fatty, oily smell to it, and I'm putting some tea tree oil. Sometimes I do peppermint or whatever oil I grab first to cut down on that smell. This is how I wrap my hair when I'm wearing my twist straight without the bantu knots or curls. Thanks for watching.